Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. In this series, we will be discussing new features. All of these new features were requested by you based upon your feedback. So please, keep your comments coming.
In today's video, we will discuss how to convert a potential client into an active client. Now, potential clients are only viewable by the administrator of an enterprise plan. They have the necessary permissions to see the different client types, which can be found here. Client type, all, active, and potential. Now, this potential client came through the branded partner website. And after they have gone through your sales process and have signed the engagement letter, you need to convert them to a potential client. Now, you will do this by deleting the potential client. So click on the three dots, come down here to delete, click on the delete button, and we have now deleted the potential client. So you can see they're no longer a potential client. And then we will go back here to all clients, click on the green Add New Client button, and then just enter the client name, the client code, the time zone. Once you have entered this information, click Save, and then you will be redirected to the connection screen to make the integration to either QuickBooks Online or Xero. Now, the reason this must be done is because potential clients do not count against your client count. Potential clients are free. Active clients are charged against your client count. And currently, there's no way to convert them from a potential client to an active client other than by deleting the potential client at the end of the sales process and then coming in here and adding them as an active client when you're ready to begin their monthly bookkeeping and perform the monthly file review. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, please let me know.